Okay, we're going to look at AR 4.3. This is problem number 2. It says, there are 5 chairs for every table in the classroom. 5 chairs. The relationship is proportional with a constant proportionality of 5. Plot the number of chairs for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then draw the line. So for this one, we know that K equals 5. So we have the equation y equals 5x. Now we create a table with x on one column and y on the other column. We're going to label it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Technically, for a line, you only need 2 points. So the first point, we know it's 0, 0. And that's going to be the point right here. There. The second point is 1. So we need to put y equals, we need to plug it into the equation. Y equals 5 times 1. And that gives us 5. So our second point is 1, 5. That's going to be right there. There. And then we have 2, y, x equals 2. So y equals 5, x equals 2. And that should give us 10. So our second point is at 2, 10. And now we draw the line. And that should be your graph. Okay, graph number 3. It says Reggie earns $9 per hour at a part-time job. The relationship between earnings and the number of hours is proportional with a constant proportionality of 9. Which graph correctly represents this relationship? So we know she earns $9 per hour. So per hour, she earns $9. This is going to be the constant of proportionality, which is K. We're looking for, in any of these, A, B, C, or D, we're looking for the coordinates either 1, 9, or when we have X and Y coordinates of the graph, we need to get K equals 9. So let's look at this one. First of all, it says 18 hours, $2 earning. That's not correct. Let's look at this one. It says 18 hours, $18 earning. That's not correct because 18 over 18 makes 1. It doesn't make 9. Let's look at this one. 18 over 2. But and D also says 18 over 2. But if we look at the title, this one says earnings is $2. And the bottom one says hours is 2. 2 is hours. 2 is hours. So we know that it has to be $9 earnings. If we look at the coordinates, here we have 2 for this one, 2, 18. And this one we have 2, 18. Notice that for both, if we put it over 2, it gives us 9. It gives us 9. But we have to make sure the labels are correct. So we're looking for $9 every hour. And that would be letter D.